Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Huawei has recently released the August 2021 HarmonyOS security details for Huawei phones and tablet devices. With the latest HarmonyOS device security update, Huawei has fixed a number of new security flaws to enhance the system security. Security updates are just patches that come with the feature enhancement, performance improvement, bug fixes, and etc. The more you delay the installation of these security updates, the more vulnerable your device will become. These security patches are released under monthly security maintenance for its major flagship models, and the rest of them draws under the quarterly section. Let's take a look at HarmonyOS August 2021 security patch details. HarmonyOS August 2021 security patches fixes 4 medium level of CVEs in the framework. 27 medium level of CVEs were found and fixed in HarmonyOS 2.2 kernel. A total of 5 medium to low level of CVEs are fixed in the system. On the other hand, there are 2 high and 7 medium level of CVEs fixed in the HarmonyOS 2.0 app section. There are also third-party libraries that are covered by HarmonyOS security patch protection and fixes 40 CVEs of high to medium levels found in HarmonyOS 2.2 version. In addition, this patch also resolves 5 danger CVEs that can harm the device and user's data. If the security patch level of your Huawei phone or tablet is 1st August 2021 or later, all issues described in this update and the HarmonyOS security bulletin August 2021 have been resolved. If you like this video, then press the like button, comment below or press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to visit HC Newsroom.